Lakini naarifiwa kwamba Kitui hali si hali.
That's right. Listen to this. As the government gears up to implement recommendations contained in the Presidential Working Party on reforms, lack of proper infrastructure in schools remains a big challenge, with thousands of pupils from different parts of the country learning in unconducive environments. A report by the Auditor General back in 2021 noted poor infrastructure in primary schools is a nationwide problem, with most schools having a challenge with sufficient and well-maintained infrastructure. Our reporter, Tete Jaroge, toured Kitui East constituency, where pupils learn in mud and thatched classes and in harsh environments. Take a look.
Rivers. Dusty and bushy roads and dry vegetation welcomes us to Malalani location in Kitui East constituency. We find Yambira Primary School surrounded by bushes and overlooking Endau Hill. This school that started in 2014 has only one permanent structure, a reflection of the sad state of schools with poor infrastructure in the area.
We said we also have water.
A personal hygiene lesson is ongoing in grade 2, but what shocks us is the environment in which these young ones are learning. The roof of this mud-thatched classroom has seen better days. The walls at the back of the classroom have fallen. The blackboard is barely hanging on in every sense of the word. Apart from the ECDE classroom built by Kitui County Government in 2021, the head teacher's office is the other building with a door and window. All the essential items are kept in the 2 rooms for safekeeping. For the rest, 8 classrooms and the staff room, which was previously under a tree before being relocated to a class occupied by grade 6 pupils who joined junior school in a neighboring school, are all in a deplorable state. Most of the pupils here walk barefoot due to lack of shoes and also because of the condition of the floor in the classrooms. A jerrycan of water is a precious item that is a must carry for all pupils when they report to school in the morning.
Tulianzisha kwa sababu ile ingine iko mbali. Ni ya Malalani na iko mbali. Na lazima ufuke hii mto na ikiwa na maji tunataabika sana.
Alhamisi na Jumamosi tunakuanga twende pale tukatengeneze shule, tukatengeneze darasa na vyoo. Na ukikosa kuenda tatoa 200.
With a population of 78 pupils and 9 teachers, the school lacks even the most basic of facilities, such as toilets. For years, the boys used to relieve themselves in the bushes before parents came together to build one a month ago.
Tunataka watoto wetu wasomee mahali pazuri kama wale wengine wanasomea mahali pazuri.
At Kinania Primary School in Endau, for instance, only 2 classrooms have concrete floors. Pupils sit in sand-floored classrooms with no doors and windows. This is despite the fact that the school been in existence for the last 37 years. The use of mud-thatched classrooms is still the norm. Grade 1 and PP2 pupils use these 2 classes, which are in a better condition compared to 4 others in a dilapidated state, which are no longer in use.
Mimi nilimalizia hapa 208 wakati ilikuwa ngumu sana, sababu tulikuwa tunatoka mbali, tunakuja na maji, unaambiwa upebe kibuyu ya lita 5 kutoka nyumbani. Nilikuwa natoka kama kilomita 12 hivi kutoka nyumbani kuja hapa.
Darasa zile siko siwekwe simiti ile permanent na zile zingine za matope tujengewe zingine mzuri.
Just like Yambira Primary School, this school with a population of 303 pupils and 10 teachers depend on solar for power as they are yet to be connected to electricity.
What a heart-wrenching story there, Lulu. 2023, students are still learning under those conditions.
Ni hali ya kusikitisha mtazamaji. Ni mahali ambapo kuna viongozi na kuna chifu na kuna kila mtu wa kusaidia.